I'll just do my best. That's all I can say.
Kailangan ko i-up din yung short game ko.
Tatay ko ulit yung caddy ko. Gusto ko lang mag-enjoy kasama siya.
Drives are really good. Tapos, I think I was having difficulty sa putting.
Kahapon, 1 under, 71. Today, mas maganda yung second shot ko, yung irons ko. Yung placing ng bola ko today, compare kahapon. Pero yung putting ko, same lang yesterday.
I'm not really thinking about it. I just wanna focus on my game.
Just try to be in the moment, like, hoping for a great day. Tapos, yeah, hopefully putts will drop tomorrow.
Relax lang. Actually, hindi ko siya iniisip. Gusto ko lang mag-enjoy. Since yung tatay ko ulit yung caddy ko, gusto ko lang mag-enjoy kasama siya.
Focus on the process, focus on my routine, not get too distracted.
Not really sure, pero I'll just do my best. That's all I can say.
Their short game's really good. Kailangan ko i-up din yung short game ko.
Same lang. Today, may mga drives ako na medyo hindi ko nakokontrol, right? Siguro yun yung kailangan ko i-work para bukas. Thank you! Gusto ko pasalamatan yung VGA, kay Coach Carito, ito, kay Villarman Golf Academy, tsaka kay OB, Only Birdies, kay Sir Philip. Thank you so much.